48 gigabits per second bandwidth. These cables are to carry bandwidth-intensive loads and to prevent handshake issues, snow, etc. Perceived hardware issues can be solved by fully supporting high bandwidth-dependent features such as dynamic HDR Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos and DTS. Dynamic HDR ensures every moment of a video is displayed at its ideal values for depth, detail, brightness, contrast and wider color gamut, optimized on a scene-by-scene or even a frame-by-frame basis. Supports 8K at 60 Hz. 8K at 60 Hz resolution means a more immersive viewing experience with sharper high-speed content. The resulting ultra-fast and sharp images are great for sports, high-performance gaming and VR. eARC, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, eARC supports the most advanced audio formats such as object-based audio, which provides an immersive multidimensional experience. The enhanced audio detail and depth can position audio events from movie soundtracks in 3D space. The high bandwidth and extended video resolution enables gaming consoles, PCs, laptops, PC monitors, VR gear and UHDTVs to support the most advanced extreme gaming features, including support for AMD FreeSync on PlayStation 4 Pro and Xbox One X. Top reviews from the United States. True 4K with potential to serve as 8K HDMI cables. Monoprice cables have been my go-to brand for years. Spending a few extra dollars in this instance is a no-brainer. It's very important to understand that in order to take full advantage of your 4K TV, that your broadcast device, for me, this is my 4K FireCube, and all cables are capable of handling the bandwidth of information for video plus audio. These cables go above the low-end standard of 15 GBps to 48 GBps, which is an obvious upgrade over low-end 4K HDMI cables at 15 GBps or even improved bandwidth versions, and ensure that I am not limited to 30 frames per second and are likely to serve my needs when, if 8K TVs are available for a reasonable price.